Hi guys, so I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you guys my views on the PAC Ultimate Beauty Blender Sponge and various ways in which I use the PAC Beauty Blender. So if you're interested, please do keep on watching this video. So the PAC Ultimate Beauty Blender Sponge comes packed in this plastic kind of thingy, and as soon as we open the plastic kind of box, we get a black net mesh bag which looks something like this. And here are the two beauty blenders which we have from PAC. And as soon as we open this, we get hold of a beauty blenders. So the duo PAC beauty blenders are available in two colors. One of them is black and one of them is red. The red one attracted me more, so I went up and ordered for myself the red beauty blenders, like the red variant in the beauty blenders from PAC. PAC's duo beauty blender retails for about 745 Indian rupees, in which you get two beauty blenders and one black net mesh bag. The two beauty blenders look something like this. In one of the beauty blender, it has the original signature beauty blender shape, that is the teardrop shape. Moving on to the second beauty blender, this is how the second beauty blender looks like. It has the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge kind of shape. One of the ends of this beauty sponge, it has a very pointy and a tapered look, while on the other one it has like a more flat surface. So my beauty blenders are wet right now because I just use my beauty blenders to record a video, like a demonstration video on the various ways in which I use my beauty blender. So yeah, they are currently wet right now, but I'll insert a clip for you guys to see the dry version of these beauty sponges and how their size doubles up when you soak them in water. So yeah, I'll just insert it right now. Thing that you get in this beauty blender set is that you get this net mesh black bag right here. This is a really great bag. It has a magnetic clasp. I'll just show you right here. Magnet is really strong, and can you see the fabric? It's like a net mesh kind of fabric, which proves to be very effective in storing your beauty blenders. Because if you are a beauty blender user, you will find yourself really in a tiff how to store these beauty blenders. After cleaning your beauty blender, if you just let your beauty blender air dry, there are chances that dust particles will stick onto the wet beauty blender. And on the other hand as well, you cannot store your beauty blender in a closed container. It will increase the chances of bacteria and fungal buildup inside your beauty blender. So this bag right here comes in really handy, as you can store your beauty blenders, and after washing them and all of that sorts, you can actually let them air dry in this net mesh bag right here, as it will prevent the dust particles to get stuck onto your beauty blender, and at the same time it will allow the beauty blenders to air dry naturally. Now coming on to the performance of these beauty blenders. These beauty blenders are really efficient at blending your foundation. It helps you to bake your under eyes, under your contours, because it has like a flat edge right here, and even by the pointy side itself you can bake your under eye and under your contours, or even if you have oily nose and oily cupids, you can set it with this and it works great. All these ways in which I use the beauty blender, I have a demonstration video recorded for you guys, so don't worry. No, they are not very soft and squishy like the original Beauty Blender, because you're paying obviously more for the original Beauty Blender that cost around like 2000 Indian bucks, and this is like you are getting two Beauty Blenders for 745 only. So these are a great deal. I personally have used a lot of Beauty Blenders, and I'm not gonna suggest you guys very hard or a Beauty Blender which does not blend your foundation really nicely. Overall, these beauty sponges are great. I would give them a rating of 9 out of 10. That is super great. So you should definitely check out the PAX Beauty Blender. I will have a direct link to buy these beauty sponges in the description bar down below. This is all I wanted to talk to you guys in this video. If you guys found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down your suggestions down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my social media accounts like my Instagram, my Snapchat, my blog, my Twitter. Links to all of my social media accounts will be in the description bar down below, so do not forget to check it out. And until next time guys, bye, take care and keep subscribing.